For months, astronomers have been watching a silent traveler glide through our solar system, an interstellar visitor unlike anything we've ever seen. Known as 3E Atlas, it came from beyond the boundaries of the Milky Way, crossing the cold and endless gulf of interstellar space. But just as the B world prepared to say goodbye to this enigmatic object, something unprecedented happened. As 3I were due to 7 present kinning to prosed connaissant parasins, Atlas moved toward its closest approach. To the Sun, telescopes around the world recorded an anomaly so strange that even the most skeptical scientists were left speechless. Its light changed, its structure shifted, and then it did something no natural object has ever been seen doing. Tonight, we'll explore what the James Webb, Hubble, and ground-based observatories just witnessed, and why Avi Loeb himself, one of Harvard's most renowned astrophysicists, says this anomaly could mark the most serious discovery in modern astronomy. Everything began when Spain's 2-meter twin telescope captured 159 exposures of 3 Atlas as it approached solar conjunction, the moment when it would pass behind the Sun from Earth's perspective. What those images revealed was nothing short of impossible. A thin jet of material shooting directly toward the Sun. Every comet we've ever studied releases dust and gas that the solar wind pushes away from the star, forming a tail that always points outward. But this one was reversed. A countertail, as if the object were rejecting the Sun's influence rather than succumbing to it. The discovery was quickly confirmed by both the Hubble Space Telescope and Hawaii's Ke'e Observatory, which detected a diffuse glow extending toward the Sun, not away from it. For a comet, that behavior is physically absurd, the equivalent of seeing smoke flow against the wind. The anomaly didn't just defy expectations, it defied the laws of solar physics. Some researchers speculated that the material might be resistant to radiation, pressure, possibly composed of unknown elements or alloys that react differently to solar photons. Others suggested something even more radical, that the tail wasn't natural at all, but an emission or exhaust from a controlled pesta mechanism within the object itself. As more data poured in, astronomers realized this was no ordinary cometary body. The mass and gravity readings of 3 Atlas didn't match. According to its trajectory, the object should have weighed far more than its observed motion suggested. In simple terms, it was moving as if it were lighter than it looked. Even more baffling, it rotated unusually slow, completing one full spin every 16 hours, which under normal conditions would cause structural instability in a typical rock or ice body. Yet, 3 Atlas remained perfectly intact. Theories began to collapse one by one. Some experts proposed it might be hollow, an idea supported by subtle fluctuations in its reflected brightness. If true, that would mean we're observing not a solid rock but a shell, possibly metallic, drifting through space. Its nickel and iron content, as measured through spectral analysis, was significantly higher than that of any comet or asteroid in our solar system. Combined with traces of cyanide compounds, rare even in interstellar dust, this composition suggested something far beyond natural formation. As these results emerged, debate erupted in the scientific community. Atlas be artificial? Or was this an entirely new category of interstellar object built by physics we haven't yet discovered? To make sense of the growing chaos, Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb and his research team introduced something unprecedented. The OEP scale, or object of extraterrestrial probability, inspired by the Torino scale used to assess asteroid threats. This ranking system classifies interstellar visitors from Level 0 to level 10, based on the number and severity of unexplained anomalies. Level 0 corresponds to fully natural objects like 2I Boris, while level 10 would represent confirmed extraterrestrial technology with global consequences. Loeb placed 3I Atlas at level 4, describing it as an object with multiple persistent anomalies and no satisfactory natural explanation. After extensive analysis, according to Loeb's model, this puts it in the zone of potential techno in signatures. In other words, a 40% chance, yes, that its origin might not be natural. That number sent shockwaves through both the scientific community and social media. While most astronomers dismissed it as speculation, Loeb's past predictions about Oumuamua, another interstellar mystery, suddenly gained renewed credibility.